Hi, I'm Beth Hyde with the National Notary Association. Today, I am going to show you how to perform an acknowledgement in 5 easy steps. Okay, step 1. The signer must personally appear before you. This is Yancy Luna. She will be playing our signer today. And as you can see, she is here in person with me. Step 2. Scan the document to ensure all the spaces have been filled in, verify all pages are included, and check for certificate wording at the end. This is the part that the notary signs and seals. If the wording is missing, you will need to fill out a certificate with the correct notary wording and attach it to the back of the document. We will go over this later in the process. Step 3. Screen the signer and verify the facts. First, your signer must provide proof of their identity. This can be done by checking their ID or using 1 or 2 credible identifying witnesses. A credible witness is an individual who personally knows the signer and can vouch for the signer's identity to the notary. In this case, we are using Yancy's state ID. You want to make sure that the signer matches the information on the ID. The things you should look for are their physical description, their photo, their signature, and the expiration date. Next, if the signer's document has already been signed, ask the signer, is this your signature, and whether they signed the document of their own free will. If the signer has not yet signed the document, watch as the signature is being made and compare it to the signature on their ID. In our case, Yancy has already signed the document. Yancy, is this your signature, and did you sign this document of your own free will?
Yes, it's my signature and I was not pressured to sign it by anyone.
Now step 4. Record the notarization. It's always a responsible move to keep a record or journal whether your state requires one or not. It's for your own protection. Write in the date and time of your notarization, indicating AM or PM. Next, add the type of notarization, the address where the notarization is taking place, the type of document notarized, and the document's date. Print the signer's name and address. Note the type of identification used to verify them. If 1 or more credible witnesses are present, be sure to write in their name, ID information, and have them sign the journal. Add any additional information you feel is pertinent. Include your notary fee and have your signer sign the journal. If your state requires a thumbprint, have your signer apply theirs in the box next to their signature. And finally, step 5. Complete the notarization. This is when you fill in the notary certificate wording section of the document. As we mentioned earlier, if there is no certificate wording on the document, you will need to fill out a separate notary certificate and staple it to the back of the document. Now, what do you fill in? Fill in the venue or county where you are notarizing, the date you notarized, your name and title of office, Notary Public. Next, you fill in the name of your signer appearing before you, then your signature, and finally your seal. Completing any optional information is up to you. And that's it. You're done. If you'd like to learn more about notarization, click the link below. I'm Beth Hyde on behalf of the NNA. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.